Alright, part of prepping the X5 to go to the dunes is every now and again you've got to service the CVs. It's not a fun job. It's probably one of the worst jobs you can possibly do on a Sandrail. However, they've got to be done. So today I'm going to walk you through a simple lubing of the CVs. So to start off, you're definitely going to want towels. Make sure you have some heavy-duty cleaning wipes to clean yourself when you're done. I use a pneumatic grease gun to make it easier. Gloves, a must. And then for my CV boots, I need a 5/16 socket as well as a 1/4 inch. So first thing to do to get started is we're going to jack this thing up. Step 1 done. Let's go ahead and take off the CV boot. Just want to undo this clamp. It's always a good idea to get a rag and wipe everything off around the CV boot so you don't get sand in your CVs. Once again, I use a mixture of Bel-Ray and Schweppco 50/50. One of 4 done. Okay, just to let you know, I did do a glove change in between that last one. I like to try to stay clean. It's easier to clean up, not such a big mess. Once again, clamps off, spin. Let's get some dirt off of here. Make sure it doesn't go in the boot. And you can see this guy's dripping. Go ahead and clean that up. And we'll get the boot and the clamp back on. Alright, two done. Now what I'm going to do is put some zip ties on the boots. So I prefer a zip tie about 2 to 3 times wider than that one, but I'm out of them. The zip tie really prevents the boot from flexing due to the centrifugal force and prevents grease from getting out or sand from getting in. Alright, all done. And you can see, sounds good, spins easy. Maintain your CVs and they'll last you a long time. And last step, jack removal.